doctor visit. Tell me, doctor, am I really sick? He said I'm showing characteristics of being a snobby bitch. Yeah, I'm a pop.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these tribal feed-in pop smoke inspired braids. If you guys want to see how I got these braids, make sure you keep watching. Before we get started with this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Okay guys, so this is the braiding hair that I'm going to be using for this style today, and I'm going to be splitting each one of those 3 sections into 2 sections. So each of those sections will be for 1 braid, and from those 2 sections I'm going to split those 2 sections into 4 or 5 sections. I split them into 5 initially, but I noticed that I actually just needed 4 for most of the braids. So it depends on how thick your hair is. I already have pretty thick hair, so I only needed about 4. So my hair is already split into sections. I put 4 sections on each side. So for this style, I'm going to be using beeswax and Eco Styler gel. And I'm using the beeswax to make my part straighter, so I'm going to be putting that beeswax into the part, and then I'm going to be putting the rest of my hair away so I can work section by section. It really helped putting them in rubber bands so they can all be separated into their individual sections and none of the hair got in the way. So I'm going to be applying the beeswax around the entire braid. And after I apply the beeswax, I'm going to take out my edges because I'm going to lay my edges or baby hairs, whatever you want to call them. And I really don't want those in the way, and I don't like laying them into the braid because I feel like it messes up the braid. So I'm going to be using the beeswax to keep the edges out of the way, and then I'm also going to be using the beeswax to slick my hair so the braids look neater. So once I finish applying the beeswax, I'm going to go over the beeswax with the Eco Styler gel. And I use gel for my braids. If gel makes your hair dry up, I wouldn't recommend using gel on your braids. But personally for me, it doesn't mess my hair up, and I feel like it holds the braid better when I do apply gel. So do whatever works for you. But I use beeswax along with Eco Styler gel for my braids. And I'm going to be applying that all around the braid, the whole perimeter of where I'm going to start my first braid at. So after combing the product through my hair using a comb and an edge brush, I'm going to begin braiding, and usually I'll section off a little piece right before I start braiding because that just personally helps me braid a little bit better. I can braid, but I'm not a braider, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to start braiding my hair, and I have pretty thick hair, so I didn't feel the need to start my feed-in braids all the way up at the top of my braid. So I began feeding in about halfway through the braid, and when I'm feeding in the hair, I'm just applying the hair under my finger. So when you're braiding, you basically want to braid, and then when you have a loose finger, as if you're about to pick up some hair, you will insert the hair into where your finger is and just pretend like you picked up a piece of your own hair and braid it into your real hair. And you want to do that with all 4 pieces until you get to the ends. And I'm going to tell you now, putting feed-in braids at the ends of the hair is the hardest part, but once you get it on there, it should be pretty easy the rest of the way down. It's really just one of those things that you have to practice to make perfect. I wasn't very good at feed-in braids when I first did them. So if you put it in and the pieces start falling out, or it's not tight, or you lose your grip, don't be discouraged, because I promise you, nobody does feed-in braids perfectly the first time. So basically I'm going to be doing the same thing over again. I'm going to be applying the beeswax and the Eco Styler gel around the braid. Then I'm going to smooth the braid out with the comb. I'm going to section off the top of my braid and begin braiding, and I'm going to start inserting hair about halfway through and then braid all the way down. So as you'll see later in the video, one side of my head turned out way better than the other side, but braiding on my hair is hard, so I don't really mind. I'm not a hairstylist and I'm not a braider. I just wanted this hairstyle, so I feel like if you want to learn how to do a hairstyle, you should learn how to do it, no matter how unperfect it comes out to be. So yeah, you'll notice later on that one side of my head looks way better than the other side, but it doesn't matter to me. I really don't care. The rest of the video is pretty self-explanatory based on the first braid that I did. So if you guys just want to keep watching and see how I did the rest of the braids, then go ahead, leave a like, leave a comment, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you share this video with a friend and leave a comment down below letting me know if you enjoyed the video that I provided for you guys today. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
With some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off.